Welcome back, vdiscovery viewers, to this fun Friday segment. Today we're going to learn more science. No, we're not doing fire or chemistry today, but we're going to learn about conservation of angular momentum. It's best to explain visually. I'm going to hold something heavy in my hands. I'm going to sit in this chair and I'm going to spin myself. And now I'm going to make myself spin faster. Whoa! And slower. You take formulas and math out, science is actually fun. Oh, and now I'm nauseous from all the spinning. Okay, turn that off. That's it.